makeup, but I ended up doing it anyways. So here we are. This Tiger Mist top and
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. A Monday here, and I just did my makeup actually for shorts and TikTok. It looks really nice. I was not expecting to do such like such more glam, I guess, makeup, but I ended up doing it anyways. So here we are. We're actually getting ready to head out. We're going to visit my grandma and my grandpa and her sister. This is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this Tiger Mist top. I just really wanted to wear this. Let me back up so you guys don't see the mess. So I'm wearing this Tiger Mist top and these jeans that I got in Colombia a while back. Yeah, feeling good, feeling cute. It is like kind of like a muggy day, but the sun finally came out. So hopefully it'll be nice and shiny. So yeah, wish me luck. So hopefully my camera won't fog up because I didn't bring anything to clean it. But we were playing outside and I thought, why not film it? Because I haven't filmed in a while since we got back from our trip. So this might be interesting. So we're basically playing cornhole.
You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow.
How much?
Let's have a drink, just relax. All your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me.
Hi guys, we are out and about going to do some errands. We gotta stop at Target to pick up some items for a brand video that I'm filming, and then we're gonna go get some ice cream and then go to Trader Joe's. I did my makeup today and I think it's so pretty. It's probably gonna be uploaded to shorts, so if you guys are interested in knowing how I did this, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube. I upload shorts 3 times a day, so you guys will see this makeup look. And yeah, I'm loving my hair vibe. I think it looks very pretty, very summer. It's also actually kind of nice. I thought it was gonna be gloomy, but it's not as bad out here. Cloudy.
In the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's this happy girl that I know with your heart on
So to enjoy a little bit of this. This is my favorite chocolate devotion.
fire? Can tell that you have something on your